Hey everyone, it's Lauren from Wildflowers here. I'm just playing with my super fancy unicorn hologram powder. I'm so excited about it. This is what it looks like over several different colors, and it looks really fantastic out in the sun. So I love to go outside and play with it. On my thumb is my favorite. It's actually over like a Kentucky blue, a very intense blue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to give you a preview of some of our new products coming out soon. Doesn't it look so amazing over all those different colors? I love this stuff. Something important you should know about this product before purchasing is that the value is not based on the micron size or the particle size. It's actually based on the quality of the raw materials. And as you can see from the picture, all three of these samples are 30 micron size, but they are all very different looking. I'm sure you can guess which one ours is. The first thing that you're going to do is choose your foundation color. So my nails sculpted out of hard gel, and I'm actually just coating with a blue gel polish, and I'm going to go ahead and cure this. Next, I'm going to follow with Wildflowers metallic top coat, which is a tack-free top coat, but you can use any soak-off tack-free top coat that you want. It's important that you get a good, even coat of the product, that you don't have any bare spots or scratched spots. So I'm going to use the light line. You can see that white line from my light across the nail to make sure it's nice and smooth, and I'm going to cure. Now that my finger has come out of the LED light and I'm cured properly, the sanitary way to use the product is to scoop out just a little bit onto a palette. And then I'm going to take my applicator. In this case, I'm just using the little eyeshadow applicator that came with it, and I'm just spreading the product onto the nail, just using a tiny bit. You can see what a small amount it takes. I could probably do 3 or 4 more fingers with that little tiny amount. So I'm going to go ahead and just smooth this on, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now at this point, this can scratch, so you want to be very careful. You don't want your client to ding it or stick their hand in their purse or do anything crazy. If for some reason something happens, you can take a little extra and just spread it on to cover up any spot that may have gotten messed up. Or maybe you could create some crazy nail art by scraping patterns into it. Just food for thought. And last thing I'm going to do is follow with gel top coat. It's really important. I like to do 2 coats and make sure I encapsulate that free edge. So use 2 coats, really protect it, really encapsulate, or the tip will start to chip, and you don't want that. So here's what it looks like after it's come out of the light. And of course, this is just in the lighting in my shop. So it looks pretty intense and crazy when you get out into the sunlight or under some LED lights. So this really doesn't do it justice, but you'll see what I'm talking about when you have it. So here's what the product looks like. It comes in this really cute little diamond-shaped jar. This is how much product's in there. It's a little over 2 grams full. Here's what it looks like when you get it. It has a little seal so that we don't have leaks this time. Here's what it looks like in regular light and with the lights on. Wow, so cool. Here's another one in regular light, and again with a super amazing light. All of this is available at www.wildflowersnails.com. FYI, we're coming out with 36 new micro glitters. Our metallic tack-free gel top coat, which will be available August 22nd, and our fall sports glitter. So stay tuned to wildflowersnails.com.
Wow. Okay, now do it fast speed. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Okay, now slow. Wow, wow.